Hey birdies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari reaction. How you guys doing today? So I'm back again with another reaction video to the group SB19. You guys know I love my Philippines. I love my SB19 group. And this is SB19 and Ben&Ben. This is the MAPA band version official video. Someone told me to react to it and get to it as soon as possible, and I said you're right. So now I'm here. You know, I love me a live instrument band. Give it to me. Oh, come through with the light.
Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna, akin ang pangamba?
Yes.
Dahil ikaw ang aking mata, sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iibang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong
Come on, Pablo.
pahinga muna.
Come on, Stell. Push through.
Aking puso'y iyong hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo.
Come through.
Magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Dahil ikaw ang aking paa sa
Ken.
ko'y gagapang na ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana, pahinga muna. Ako nang bahala, isma sa labisan yung nagawa, papa. Pahinga muna, ako na. Di ko na sasayangin pa mga natitirang paghinga. Tutuna ko sa naroon na mahalaga. Nakilan pa may di mawala.
Push through, Pablo.
Wala akong mapa sa mga pagkalang kung saan nagmula.
Come on, violinist.
Ako nang bahala, isma sa labisan yung nagawa, mapa. Pahinga muna, ako na.
This song is a hit. Stella, hold that note, Stella. Are you guys hearing that note that Stella was holding? Hear it. He is holding that note. da 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 da. What's da 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 da? La da da.
La ta ta ta, la ta ta, la ta ta,
Dumbledore. I really do like this SB19 with Ben&Ben, the MAPA band version. I really do like that. This song is a hit. This song should be their leading single. This song should be #1 on the P-pop charts. This song is everything. Vocally speaking, amazing. Live, amazing. Band, amazing. This song really shows you the vocal capability of Pablo and Stell, especially Stell. This is everything. This song is a hit. This song is a hit, and I'm happy for it. I'm so happy. I'm not disappointed with the group SB19. They always push to go forward, push to go better with each song, with each project, with each creative direction, and I love for it. Love it. The talent is amazing, off the charts. So thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. It's always who can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.